Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. So this is our video presentation for subject computer programming, code subject BEEA1343, and we are from Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Technology, and we are also from class 2B MMH S11.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatini binti Abdul Razak. My matrix number is B09200107. And for this video assignment, I will explain about the introduction, objective, and a bit of program codes. For the introduction, this assignment will explain and describes our knowledge of computer programming that we have learned in class in order to create the coding based on the task that has been given by lecturer. For our assignment, we have chosen customers data and number of purchase as our project title, which we aim to display the customer data and number of purchase. This coding will be much useful for sellers who in their business that want to record all their customers' data for their business report. For the objective, firstly we aim to record customer data and number of purchase. Second is to display customer data, and last is to display customer number of purchase. Next is program codes. First of all, we write the coding by using application C++. Then, before we declare the function, we use a header that contains libraries such as IOStream, CSTDLIB, string, IOManip, fstream, and cstring. Then, for the declaration of data structure, we use struct data. After that, in the function declaration, we use char for name, phone number, address, and integer for purchase number. Next, to make the user select their choice, we did the coding at the main function. Before calling the function for report of customer data and number of purchase, we use the integer enough for the user to choose if they want to add customer data. Second, to display customer data. Third, to display customer number of purchase. And fourth is to exit the program. Then user can select their choice by enter the number that they want to. Followed by, we use switch statement for call a case since we have four cases to call. So in the case 1, we use for loop function to add the data customer such as name, phone number, address, and purchase number. User can key in all the data with customer name, phone number, address, and number of purchase. Next, we use if loop for user to choose if they want to add more customer data or if they do not want to add customer data. If the user want to add more customer data, then the program will return to Z, which it will repeat for the user to add more customer data. And if user don't want to add more customer data, so it will automatically back to the main menu. At the end of the case 1, there are break statements to prevent the code from running into the case 2.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Azad Aiman bin Ismail and my matric number is B0920102666. So today I want to give a presentation about the program codes which is start from case 2. So case 2 we use the multiple way selection which is switch case to show the customer data. So in case 2 we use the for loops to show the detail that we have keyed in before, which is customer name, customer phone number, and then customer address. After that, it will show you back to main menu, yes or no. And we use the if statement so that when the user key in the data, the capital Y or normal Y, it will go back to main menu. So in 3, it will show you customer number of purchase. So we also use the for loops to show the detail that we have keyed in before, which is the customer name and then customer purchase. And after that, it also show you back to main menu, yes or no. And we use the if statement so that when the user key in capital Y or normal Y, it will go back to main menu. Or when the customer enter and other than that, it will just end. And in case 4, if the user want to exit from the program, he can choose the case 4. So when he exit, the program will show thank you. So basically the last program you write is to save the data to the text document. We use the offstream O file to create a file object, and then we use the O file.open to open a file, so that what we have key in the detail we can save in a text document, so we can open for the another day. So basically we use the O file, and then we write the view the record in the database to show the data that we have key in, which is the name, the number of phone, and the address. And when we use the for loops to show the detail that we have key in, and then we use the O file close to close the file. And after that, we use the O file open to open another file for the customer number of purchase report. And then we use O file, and then we write the view the record in the database, and we use the for loops to show the detail that we have key in before in main menu number 1. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Azimah binti Azman with number matrix B0920102116 from class 2 BMMH S1-1. So I will explain about the program output. From the coding that we made, it will show, we need to run the coding, so it will show the program output. So this is the program output, which is report of customer data and purchase. There is 4 choice of output. Number 1 is add customer data and number of purchase. Number 2, display customer data. Number 3, display customer number of purchase. And number 4, exit the program. So we need to select the choice, which one that we want to see. Okay, for the program output number 1, if you select number 1, then it will show the customer data. So we need to enter the customer data, which is customer name, customer number of phone, customer address, and also the number of purchase. So from the output number 2, it will show the list of customer data that we entered before. Then if you want to back to main menu, you need to choose Y, which is yes, and or N, which is no.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aimizaris Imran bin Muhammad Rizal, and my matrix number is B0920100090, and I'm from 2BMMH section 11, and today I will continue our presentation for our assignment. So as you can see, this is program output number 3, and this is list of customer number of purchase that we entered from program output number 1. So this is the list, and if we want to back to main menu, we can type Y. If we want to stay in this program, we type N. Next is program output number 4. If we choose number 4 from the main menu, which is exit program, it will display thank you because we want to exit program. So the discussion of this assignment, based on the output obtained, it is safe to say that our result correlates with the objective we had met earlier on. This program contains various sub-functions embedded together within the code, such as array, data structure, looping, file processing, and data analysis. Each objective has a different set of sub-objectives. File processing, for example, is used to record customer data since it helps to store data permanently. Meanwhile, a variety of sub-functions such as array, looping, and data structure are used to display customer data and number of purchases. As these sub-functions help with different scenarios for each output and for its structure. That's all from me, and continue with the conclusion from Azima. Thank you.
Conclusion. In conclusion, we have reached and achieved the objective that were given. The objective were to record customer data and based on the program we made. It is thus provide successful when we got the output we want. We had used each of the following sub-functions such as array, data structure, looping, file processing, and data analysis as it can be seen in results. As stated beforehand in the introduction, this assignment helped us to explore and to solidify our knowledge regarding the following sub-functions we have learned in our class regarding this program language, which is C++. Our group managed to reach our goal and achieve it successfully without any difficulties. And last but not least, I want to thank you, our lecturer, Sir Muhammad Farid bin Ibrahim, for giving us very good guidelines for this assignment throughout numerous consultations. So that's all from our group. Thank you.